In front of me is iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to set up and customize messages notifications on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select notifications. Under notification style, just pick the app that you would like to add these changes to, and as I mentioned before, it's about messages, so just mark messages. And obviously you can switch off all notifications for messages if you will unmark all notifications, but if you won't have them but just in a bit different way, just activate them, and here you can customize it. So at first you can set the alerts for lock screen, or you can switch it off, notification center and banners. So let me switch off lock screen. Then you can pick the banner style, so let me just click on banner style, and you can pick temporary or persistent, it's up to you. Then you can select the sound, so here you can pick whichever sound you would like to apply. And let me stay with Telegraph. And then you can switch off badges, or you can leave them active. And here you can also show previews if you want to. Just mark it, and it can be displayed always, only when unlocked, or never. So let me pick when unlocked. And then you can change the notification grouping right here. It can be by app, or it can be switched off. It can be also applied automatically. And then you can repeat alerts once, twice, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, or never. So let me pick twice. And that's it. This is how you can customize notifications. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.